Here's how you can make chocolate roti. I don't know if I just angered every brown person on earth with this. So typically in roti, you only really have atta, which is wholemeal wheat flour, and salt. You mix it with water and that's the dough. But not only am I going to add some atta and the salt, I'm also going to add some Dutch cocoa baking powder. And I'll add some brown sugar. Now periodically mix water until the dough comes together. Now cover this with olive oil and let it rest for about 15 minutes. And now knead the dough until it becomes soft and smooth. This looks so weird. You want to add this into a bit of extra atta just so it doesn't get too sticky, and form this into a nice dough ball. And now dip this into some extra atta and roll this into a circle. And now just slap this onto a hot pan. And you want to cook this until both sides are quite well, I guess it's already brown, so you want to cook this until, well, I don't know what color because it's already brown. You want to cook this until it's cooked throughout. And usually I like to put roti straight on the flame so it inflates and cooks on the inside, but this seems too thick, but I'll give it a try. Oh, it's working. It's inflating. I got a chocolate roti. Oh, snap. Mama.
Oh, मेरा अल्लाह तोड़ दे गोडे. माशाल्लाह कलर तो अच्छा है. बिस्मिल्लाह. आपने पिलाई?
What? Yeah, who else is here?
मुझे तो लग रहा है बाई की है आपने.
Smells like chocolate.
Yeah. उधर से आ रही है. Tastes weird. Round, nut break, and sweet.
It's not that sweet. It's a hint of chocolate. It's not too much chocolate. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait. Let's eat this with some vanilla ice cream. Okay, that's better.
Yeah.
It's like an actual dessert. It reminds me of a crepe. Okay, out of 10, what is this?
I think 10.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not that good. Like, it's okay. It's good. It's like a crepe. It's good.
तो आपने 0 लेना.
No, it's not 0.
आपकी जो रोटी अच्छी बनी है, ठीक है. Without me. दूसरे उसका टेस्ट अच्छा आ गया.
I would say with the ice cream, it's a 8.9 out of 10. Just by itself, it's like a 7.7 out of 10.